This is how to blend your 4C hair leave out and make it look super natural like this. To achieve this is to do a super minimal leave out, and we're going to apply some of my mousse that I'm going to show you in a second, and we're going to do a very nice tight braid, not too tight that it hurts, but tight enough so that when you unravel it, it's going to look super natural like this. And we're using very natural looking bundles today, so you're going to just braid all the way to the end, all the way to the very ends of the hair. And the hair that we're using today is like a 4C hair texture. I'm going to show you in just a second, but this is the extensions that I installed on her. As you can see, it even mimics her natural hair as it shrinks. So I'm going to use my Cantu mousse and just apply it and then just braid it before we actually install the bundles. So this type 4 extensions we're using today is from Curlsqueen, and I'm using the Afro Kinky Coily hair extensions in 22 inches. So the texture of these bundles is different from regular kinky curly bundles. So the texture is more like a coarse, thick texture, and it mimics type 4 hair, especially type 4C hair, down to the ends, like down to the kinky ends. So now that we've done the leave out area out, so now I'm just going to go ahead and do regular cornrows using some braiding hair because her hair is short, and I'm just going to allow you guys to watch and enjoy. In case you're wondering where I got the hair from, I'm going to leave the hair that we're using today in the description. It's from Curlsqueen, and you can find the hair link in the description box. So just keep on watching and see how I install them. Alright, so before I even use the bundles, I did go ahead and co-wash them. So right now it's still kind of damp, which is actually fine because this hair actually needs moisture and needs water. So yeah, it's easy to unravel it while it's kind of damp. So now I'm just stitching first. So I'm going to show you guys in detail how I stitch because I've had questions about this. I usually stitch with the needle facing up, and I just wrap the thread over the needle like twice, and I'm using cotton thread. Okay, so the very first braid in the bottom, I'm just using one track, and then after that I start to double until I get to the top, and then I go back to do single tracks and just basically go as I need as I need the hair to look full. So this is like one bundle and change, okay? We didn't even use 1.5, but this hair gets really full. So yeah, you don't need more than 2 bundles if you want to do a full head. We still have a lot left. All right, so now we're going to unravel the leave out in the front. When unraveling it, just do it very, very gently because you don't want to like mess up. You want to kind of keep the, I don't know, the curls. So you kind of want to unravel it like slowly and gently, so you don't comb out the kinky curly look, because that's what we need for the leave out. So yeah, just keep on watching. And now I'm just kind of hiding her leave out in between pieces of the extensions, and just like using my fingers to tuck it in and bringing some of the extension out on the top, and just like, yeah, just trying to make sure her hair is kind of hidden inside of it. But this is what it looks like if you do it just like that. It looks so natural and it blends with her hair perfectly. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. So the hair length is 22 inches, and it doesn't look like that because of the typical shrinkage behavior. As you can see, as she stretches it down, it's actually much longer. So I'm pretty sure you can blow out this hair and like stretch it out if you want it to look longer. But this is basically the look we're going for today. And yeah, she really loved it. She loved that it looks like her hair and it looks super natural. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you check out Curlsqueen and like this video, subscribe. I will see you guys next time.